Okay, deleting a node at the end. Okay, continuation to our previous class. So whenever you want to delete a node at the ending, we need to move the our start node to be pointed to the previous node of the last node. Okay, so that first we need to move up to the last node. Okay, for that we are repeating a loop to repeat up to the to move up to the last node. So for that we are checking that temp of write is not equals to start. Okay, then we are reached to the our last node. And whenever the last node next is the start node, okay, then automatically it is the last node out. Okay, so once after reaching to the last node, then we are assigning the pointer values. Okay, so first we are assigning the temp of right as the address for temp of left of right. Okay, that is temp is the our current last node. Okay, it's right, that is nothing but the whatever the node it is pointing as the next node. Okay, that address is assigned to the temp of left of right. Temp of left is the its previous node. So previous node right becomes the temp of right. Okay, that is say for example this is the last node. Okay, this is our temp node and this is the its previous node. Temp of left is the this. Okay. Okay, so this is the temp node. Okay, so temp of left of right. Temp of left. Left is the previous node. Its right is this one. Okay, this is assigned with temp of right. So this address is assigned to this. Temp of right is assigned to temp of left of right. Okay, this is the first step. Okay, next temp of right of left. Okay, temp of right of left is that node which is after the our temp node. Okay, temp of right is the node which is after the temp node. Okay, so it's left. Temp of right of left. Temp of right is this node. Okay, this node left is this value. Okay, this pointer. Okay, this is the temp of right of left. This is assigned with temp of left. Okay, that is temp of left is its previous node. This node address is assigned here. Okay, so first this right node, that is the next node address of the temp node is assigned to the temp node right, and temp node previous node address is assigned to the temp node next node left. Okay, this is assigned to here. So these two swappings are done to remove the ending node. That is here the actually temp of right is the this is the starting node. Okay, start node. Okay, so this start node address is assigned to the temp of previous nodes. Previous node addresses is updated with the start node addresses. Okay, next. Next, deleting a node in the intermediate position. So we'll take a position value and we'll check whether the position is a valid position or not, whether that is whether it is in the in between the one and number of nodes. Node CTR is number of nodes. Okay, if it is in between the number of nodes and one is a greater than the one and number of less than the number of nodes. Okay, then take the temp equal to start and I equals to 1. Repeat the while loop until unless I less than the position. So increment the I value and increase the temp variable. Okay, whenever it reaches to the required position, okay, then we need to make a these two swaps. These two swappings we need to do delete a node in the intermediate position. Okay, you can observe that whenever you are deleting a node, okay, we need to do only two swappings. That is, two addresses need to be modified. But whenever you are inserting a node in the circular linked list, we need to make a four changes. Okay, insertion takes a four changes, but deletion takes only two changes, two pointers to be modified. Okay, so now we need to delete a one intermediate node in the linked list. Say for example, this is the node to be deleted. This is the intermediate node, and this is the its previous node, and this is its next node. Okay, so this is the node we need to delete. Okay, temp. Okay, now temp of right of left. Temp of right of left is equal to temp of left. Temp of left is this, that is the previous node. Temp of right is the this, that is the next node. So temp of right of left, that is temp node next node left is the our temp node left. So this node address is assigned in the left of the temp node right. That is temp node right node, that is next node of the temp node points the as a previous node or temp node previous node like this left. Temp of left of right, that is temp of left of right is temp of left is its previous node and its right is this pointer. Okay, this is assigned with temp of right, that is with the next node address of the temp node. Okay, so this is the left node of the temp node and this is the right node of the temp node. So first we are assigning the temp of left node address to the temp of right as a previous node, and at the same time next we are assigning the so this right node address into the temp of left node right. Okay, and free the temp. This node address is freed from the memory. Next, traversing the circular double linked list. Here we can do is traverse the double linked list in the two ways, that is left to right or from the right to left. For the left to right, we will repeat a loop until the temp is not equal to start. We start with the temp of right, that is we start with the second node of the circular linked list. Okay, sorry, the circular double linked list. We are starting from the second node. Okay, initially we'll display the first node data and we'll start from the second node. So until unless it is not equals to the start, temp not equals to the start, print the data and move to the right. Okay, and if it is from right to left, then we'll start the temp with the start and move on from one node to another node as the left. That is, we are going back. Okay, we started at the start node and we are moving back. Okay, go back from one node to another node and print the data until unless the temp doesn't makes equals to the start. Okay, so here we are using the do while loop because initially we'll start the temp with the start node and next we move to the start or temp of left and display the data. So next we are more checking that temp is not equals to the start. If we are giving this condition in the beginning, okay, initially the condition becomes a true and exits from the loop. So that we are using a do while loop for this. Okay, next. Okay, this is a circular double linked list and we completed all the linked list types. The 4 linked lists are there: single linked list, double linked list, circular single linked list and circular double linked list. Okay, in these 4 we need to first understand the single linked list. If it is thoroughly understandable, okay, then it's easy to understand all the remaining 3 types of linked lists. Okay, so carefully listen these lessons and note down and also execute the program which is already there in the DS notes material. You have the circular double linked list program. So copy it to the code blocks or any online editor and execute the program. Okay. Say for example, if you don't have any laptop or any other systems, okay, so try to understand the program at least. Okay, open the DS Notes material in the mobile and understand the program. Okay, thoroughly check the line by line and understand it and note down that in a notes. Okay, so that you can at least check the program line by line. Okay,